Hello home buyers, I'm here in Trilogy, Quinta, and I'm going to walk you through just about as big as it gets, 2,700 square foot home on the golf course, south facing. We're on Desert Willow. It's priced right under 1.1, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. Casita's out front. Trilogy Quinta is a 55 plus gated community with a long list of amenities. There's 1,070 homes here. HOA is right above 600. And everyone's a social member. Everyone has access to the amenities on site. At the end of this video, I'll give you the breakdown on what's offered here in Trilogy Quinta, but let's focus on the house. So here in Trilogy Quinta, there's 13 floor plans. All of them offer these optional casitas. So you could find this floor plan without a casita or with. In this case, it does have the around 300 square foot casita. Get your own little closet there. A lot of people install the refrigerator, and then you'll have a shower. Just located right out front of the main house. Wait till you see the views here. I gotta say, I've been working here in Trilogy Quinta for a long time, and this is at the top of the list for one of the nicest views, south facing mountain views there. I'll just take you right out to the backyard, and then we'll focus on the house because I purposely showed up here at sundown to give you that experience of what it would feel like living here, watching the Santa Rosa Mountains and sipping on whatever you're sipping on, some cold water, some red wine. But they got the aluma wood because this is south facing just to buy them some additional shade. It's a really cool location because right behind you is not a golf course technically, it's just a little green belt. I'll show you with the drone. And it feels, and I think technically is, a little bit elevated. And that adds to the dramatic mountain views located to the south there. And then sometimes when you're pinched in a corner like this, your privacy is exposed. But here, I mean, this one neighbor has got 3 big trees there. So between the green belt, the privacy, the south-facing mountain views, there's just a long list of multipliers adding to the opportunity here at Trilogy. Tons of shade here thanks to this aluma wood. A really nice sized pool with spa. I'll just peek our head over here. I think I left it unlocked. We can go through the kitchen. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. And the garage, I didn't show you on the way in, I don't think, but it's technically a 3-car garage. Makes for a really good golf cart garage. But a small sedan will work in that 3rd option. And here in Trilogy Quinta, they want you in the garage overnight. So if you got 2 cars and you have a golf cart like most people, a lot of people have to park behind their cars. But having this additional storage for another 3rd small car, or for most people, this is a golf cart garage. But a Model 3 Tesla, I think, I would have no problem parking here. But like I said, a lot of people park in the golf cart here and then using it for storage. Like I said, there's 13 floor plans here in Trilogy Quinta. The Tamarisk is one of the largest. And for all the 55 plus communities, 2,700 square feet. It's kind of as high as it gets. But with the larger floor plans, especially with this one here, you get 10-foot ceilings, and now you get some formal dining. When you're on the smaller size, a lot of the time you're not going to have the formal dining or the 10-foot ceilings. Always remember the Tamarisk because there's a T and the kitchen countertop there. Stainless steel appliances. Looks like the original cabinetry, and a lot of original offering here, which nothing wrong with that. This is a community built by Shea. Shea is one of the largest family-owned builders in the country with an excellent reputation. I've been working here for quite some time, and never do we find shortcuts taken throughout the development. I also work often over in Trilogy Polo Club, which is the next version of this. Again, same excellent reputation for quality of build. So there's the front door where we entered, and there's a den/bedroom back there, and then we're right here in the living room. This is where I went out to the backyard just to keep you in the flow of the floor plan. Let's take a look at the guest bedroom here. Laundry, this one I believe has the sink. A lot of the laundry's on the way in from the garage, and I think the Tamarisk is cool. It has it right there, close to your living room. But this is going to be our one of 4 bedrooms with its ensuite and an upgraded for when this place was built shower. And as soon as you walk into the door, a lot of the time people have this situated as a den. There is no closet as built, but what makes this a 4th bedroom is the fact that there's a shower right here adjacent. This is going to be your living room, traffic, washroom, but this floor plan comes with the shower, and this too was upgraded at one point. It's not that Korean, very clean, doesn't look like it's been used much. So up to you always to decide if you want to consider this a bedroom. That we go off of, or most realtors go off the tax records, and in this case they are advertising this as a 4 bedroom, which is common with the Tamarisk floor plan. So our last stop for this video, I'm going to walk you over to the primary, which is right behind me, but just going to show you the layout one more time, and then we'll finish off here in the primary. This one's got the bay window, adding some additional square footage to the primary. Just gives you an opportunity to put a desk in here or a little chest like this. South facing, so they got the plantation shutters to shut it down. And on top of that, that aluminum wood out front or in the backyard. This bathroom has been renovated at some point. A lot of the time, or the way that it was built, you'll find a tub with the Tamarisk, and what they did is remove the tub, which was right here, and just kind of opened up the bathroom, which I'm appreciating with this new custom work. And we got a little bit of additional closet space there, a washroom there, and then another nice sized closet here, pretty deep. And then check out this shower. Really nice. Seems to be somewhat recently done, contemporary, and I appreciate the fact that that is flush there. But that's going to conclude this walkthrough video. Thanks for watching. Like I said, right after this, I'm going to break down the HOA here and just help you understand what's offered on site. But this is a Tamarisk floor plan in Trilogy, La Quinta, the 55+ community located in South La Quinta. Thanks for watching. So I'm on my website, Bloom Home Search Engine, and at the bottom of every subdivision, you're going to find a lot of information about the HOA. So here we are in Trilogy, La Quinta at $622 a month. What you're going to get is the front landscaping, internet and cable is included here, 24-hour guarded gate, security, the Santa Rosa Clubhouse, and the Coral Mountain. There's 2 clubhouses. One's the bigger one, one's smaller. I'll show you some of the pictures after this. But if you want to find this, just go to Trilogy, La Quinta, a Bloom Home Search Engine, and at the bottom in this description of this video, you'll find a link to this page. And it's up to date, and everything you could possibly need to learn about Trilogy, La Quinta will be on this page. But we'll look at some of the pictures. Here's the amenities. They got the pickleball, bocce ball, tennis, a resort pool with cabanas. This is an on-site spa for pedicures and massage. This is an indoor-outdoor lap lane pool. It's shaded. And then this is a walking path at the fitness center upstairs with some nice views. And there's the other side of that fitness center. Lounge area that's been renovated. There's a huge card room that's just recently renovated as well. The arts and crafts is going to offer ceramics, painting, and all that kind of fun stuff. Here's the resort pool. The pickleball is, there's technically 2 full-time courts and then 4 more built into the championship courts, the tennis championship courts. And the pickleball and tennis community shares this section. They got it down to a science. There's reservations and designated hours for the different tennis and pickleball lifestyle. So, it looks like it can be complicated, but I have to say, from what I've experienced, they've got this down to a science as far as sharing the square footage there. This is the Santa Rosa Clubhouse, the main clubhouse, the indoor lounge area That's the front gate there when you come in. This is the back side of the clubhouse from the golf course. It's more of that lounge. This is the retreat room. You'll find this inside the Santa Rosa Clubhouse. It's just a quiet place where you can come work on your computer or play some pool. The TV's usually going as well. There's the pool table. Resort pools. Here's a look from inside the cabanas. The resort pools here. It's a lot like staying at a nice hotel. And here at Trilogy La Quinta, you're right at the base of the Santa Rosa Mountains. So just really cool vibes sitting by the pool. And this is that indoor-outdoor. I mean, it's technically outdoors, just shaded lap lane pool. And this too, you can reserve a lane and show up and get your workout in. A very popular exercise activity here at Trilogy La Quinta. Out front of the Trilogy La Quinta is kitchen 1011. This is a newer, I mean, this building has been here and there has been different restaurants. The HOA purchased the golf course, I'd say in the past 1 or 2 years, this all went down. And Kitchen 1011 is the newest edition of the restaurant, managed by Blue Star. It's very much contemporary. I have some photos of it in here. It's brand new, remodeled speaking. Here's the pickleball courts, bocce ball. I'm just looking for the restaurant out front. Here's the Coral Mountain Club. So there's the Santa Rosa Clubhouse with the fitness center. The Coral Mountain Club is just right adjacent to the main clubhouse. And inside here, you'll have the card room and the arts and crafts. And then the HOA's office is right there. Here's the recently renovated cards room. It used to be the library, but I got to say this is probably the most active indoor activity here at Trilogy La Quinta. And here too, I mean, you can't get away from the mountain views in Trilogy La Quinta, but really nice mountain views to the south and west there. Here's the arts and crafts room. There's the ceramics. So upstairs is the fitness center, but downstairs is this building or this room, large room for the workout classes, the yoga, bikes, everything you could think of, they're offered here. There are small fees attached to these classes that go directly to the coach or the teacher. Here's that upstairs walking path, indoor walking path, which is huge. A lot of people get into walking during winter and spring, but as soon as summer arrives, it's really hard to keep your walking going. So having an indoor walking path is something that brings a lot of value to the residents, being that this is the desert and it does get hot. Here's just a quick shot of the fitness center, which is upstairs with state-of-the-art equipment. This is the front of the Coral Spa, the on-site spa. Again, of course, additional fees here, but it is on site. You can get your pedicures and get your massage and not have to leave. I guess I haven't updated this with the golf course restaurant, but how it works is at the main clubhouse is a little cafe with pizza and burgers and sandwiches. Then out front is the more fine dining restaurant, Kitchen 1011, that was just renovated. And so technically we have 2 restaurants here on site at Trilogy La Quinta. But like I said, if you come to my website, go to the bottom of the description for this video, you're going to find a link to this page. And anything and everything you could need for Trilogy La Quinta is going to be right here. And here's where you'll find the Trilogy Golf Club photos, the restaurant, and then golf course photos as well that I've captured over the years. The golf course has never looked so good since Blue Star has taken over and since the HOA now owns the golf course. But again, additional resources here. If you wanted to search all of La Quinta, the sidebar right here is going to take you to all the different subdivisions. And then in this Explore sidebar, you'll find that as well. You could search by city. I have common questions. I have homes for rent. And then if you'd like to schedule a community tour to take a look at this beautiful Trilogy La Quinta or any of the 55 plus or any country club in all of Coachella Valley, you just fill out your information here and you and I could take a look at whatever house or amenities that you would like to look at. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate all the views and feedback I'm getting with these videos. So I'll see you at the next one. Thanks again.